pressure comes to its conclusion here today. First attack.
One-handed dig.
Lumipad. Inabot. And nabutasan sa likod. And Pepito unable to keep it in play.
That was a good connection between Romero and Meneses with that quick hit.
Don't forget, later on in the afternoon, Galleries will face Creamline. And this one is still in play. Nabor sets this up. And airtight defense now by Farm Fresh, sealing it, and they're ahead 3-0.
Hindi maganda yung naging talon doon ni Jimenez. Parang nabitin siya sa approach niya. Ang bilis ng dating ng bola sa...
Alam ko to. As a spiker, I know exactly where she's going. Here comes that slide play. 3-0 count from the back. Kept very much alive. Back row attack version. It is called as hitting the floor. The serve at 2-3. Caught. Reverse. Into the corner that time. And out of reach.
Saktong-sakto sa corner court ng Capital One.
Hindi mo naman distansya mo sa net. 3-4 ang ating bilang. Alanganin. Tubo! Ginawa ng paraan.
Naabutan yun ni Trisha, targeting zone 5. Good first ball.
Daming blocks that have been able to contain those large sparks. And Tubo just a good reader of the situation on the other side. Bit of a diagonal, huh? 3-ball forthcoming.
Chance for Capital One.
Runner. Yes! Defense not ready after that run by Nunag.
Aragala back on the court for Far Fresh.
We now have 3 straight points by Capital One. Partially deflected. Comes a set.
Oh!
Hello. Adorador filling up that space, and it has just been made 10-9.
Oh, good first ball.
Pinalo, and she got the line.
Yes. And hindi na nakahabol doon ang cross-court block ng Capital One.
Mukhang 3 generations yung picture na yun. Oh, tulis na tulis.
That was Kai Cepada's first point.
Yeah. Her dad, of course, the former basketball player, Fritz Gaston. In the meantime, reached for. We have a battle at the net. Pushed into the open space. In the back row, Farm Fresh obtains the upper hand again. Regalo talaga. 14-13, mababa. Ginawa ng paraan, tinaas. To the other pin. Caught. Southpaw stab by Trisha Tubo. Here's Meneses serving. They lead by 3. The reverse. Caught. Huli ka. Saan ka pupunta? Meneses serves. Tinaas. Ni Pepito. Huli ka. Alay. Ang layo.
Miscommunication there on the side of Capital One.
Huwag mong gagalawin yan. Here comes Madrigal. Caught by Galang. Big shot. Ganda ng basa.
Capital One, so that was a good target for her.
21-15 tally here. Dink. Kept in play by Colinada. Iris gets to it. Galang shoots away. Nicely done.
Ang ganda ng quick hit na yon.
Capital One. Ito naman, dikit tayo sa net. Cross is one. Against the grain there. Corvina says, keep it up. Kombinasyon. And we're done.
Diniin na lang ni Maylene pa at sa cross-court yung palo na yon. There was no cross-court block.